I've just come back to keep an eye on it. It's not leaking. Definitely not leaking. It's a minute to go according to that, but it's been doing this minute for the last 10, 20 minutes. These stupid washing machines, they just seem to just sit there. This thing's poured water into that site, into this quick wash. Mixed fabrics, quick wash. It's filled that. It's put water in there 5 times and not drained it. It's not doing anything. It's not rinsing it. It's not doing anything. I don't understand these cycles. Look, it's doing it again. Still saying 1 minute. Does that mean 1 hour or 1 minute? It's all bogus bollocks, this stuff. We should be allowed to program these however we want. We should have complete control over the system. See, it's mythical minutes still going. Look, it's putting more water in. It's done nothing with that water. It's done nothing with it. It just keeps putting it in. I've never really stood in front of it to see what it's doing. I didn't know it did all this rubbish. We've had it since 2017. I didn't know it did any of this. They'll tell you, oh, it's for rinsing the drum or it's for doing this and it's not rinsing anything. It's not pumping it away. It's not spinning it. It's not moved. It's worse than watching paint dry. That's much more fun. That sounds like a pump. Sounds like it's pumping something away now. No, it's letting more water in. Oh, I don't know what it's doing. Quick wash is not a quick wash. Oh.